At the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed, British tuner Urban Automotive made waves with a unique take on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II, one that balances bold presence with tasteful refinement. While many tuners go all out with extravagant modifications, Urban Automotive has opted for a more restrained yet striking wide-body makeover that turns heads without going overboard. This custom Cullinan features over 40 bespoke components, beginning with a carbon fiber hood finished in body color. A newly designed carbon front fascia enhances the front profile, along with vertical LED daytime running lights and a blacked-out grille, which sharpens the luxury SUV's already commanding presence. Moving down the sides, the transformation continues with flared wheel arches, new carbon fiber side skirts, and possibly the most eye-catching upgrade, massive 24-inch UV8 forged black wheels wrapped in high-performance Yokohama Advan Sport tires. These enhancements give the Cullinan an aggressive stance while maintaining its stately demeanor. At the rear, Urban Automotive adds a carbon fiber rear bumper, carbon tailpipe surrounds, a sleek diffuser, and subtle carbon lip spoilers that round off the design. The overall result is a build that stands out not by shouting, but by perfectly balancing aggression with elegance. This level of craftsmanship comes at a price. A factory-fresh Cullinan Series II already starts at over £300,000, around $406,000 in the UK. Urban's full wide-body conversion pushes the cost to £449,995, or about $610,000. And for those who desire even more, the firm also offers a full interior retrim, including custom upholstery and a redesigned steering wheel, though pricing for the interior options remains undisclosed. Urban Automotive has shown that luxury tuning doesn't always need to be excessive. Their Cullinan wide-body package offers just the right mix of custom design, road presence, and British refinement, proving once again that when it comes to high-end vehicles, less can sometimes mean more.